Dassahmariee here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair review on this hair right here. You guys, I'm super excited. This is the 26-inch 100% human hair wig. You guys, look how long it comes up to. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the back. The quality is amazing, you guys. I did cut the lace and I just put a little bit of bang on the side. This is like my go-to hairstyle. And you guys, I am absolutely obsessed with this. You guys can use all hot tools, curl it, straighten it, dye it, bleach it, anything that you guys want. Any hairstyle that you guys want. But you guys, don't sleep on Amazon hair. Amazon human hair is amazing. It's affordable. It lasts a long time. Not almost all of the hair you guys see on my channel is from Amazon, so I definitely vouch for them that their quality is absolutely amazing and I love it. You guys, here it is right out of the packaging. This is the 13x6 lace front wig. It's 26 inches in the color black, and this is just the outside packaging, the pink. And I'm gonna go ahead and open this and show you guys the silk bag it comes in. I love the silk bags that come with these wigs. It says MissJolie. It's 100% virgin human hair. Again, my favorite color bag, so you know I'm keeping this bag. I love it. Let's go ahead and open it. So right out of the pack, you guys can see right here, it is the MAC color lash in the number 027. It does come with the wig caps, that 2 pieces. And here is the wig. Go ahead and take it out the packaging. So here's the wig right out the packaging. Look at this lace, you guys. Oh my gosh. This is constructed so well. Great quality, you guys. A full 26 inches. I am obsessed. Let's go ahead and show it this way. You guys can get a close up of that lace. Yes. Okay, let me go ahead and open it. Comb at the bottom, comb in the middle, adjustable straps, which I always use. I love that there's lace at the bottom if I want to do a high pony. Also a comb at this end on the right side and on the left side, also combs. But you guys, look at how much of this is lace. You could part it down the middle, do any and every hairstyle with this. I'm absolutely obsessed. This is such a great quality. I cannot wait to wear this. Ooh, so nice. If you guys are interested, go ahead and click the link in my description box and make sure to subscribe if you guys haven't subscribed already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.